Connect the phone to Wi-Fi and open ICSee app. Register your account and log in. After log in the account, click button to add a device. Select the device type. Power on the camera and click Next. When you hear Wait to be configured and click Next.
Wait to be configured.
Input the Wi-Fi password, then click Confirm. Click Next. Aim the QR code displayed on the phone at the camera lens. Keep a distance of 20 to 30 centimeters and wait for network configuration.
Connect to router successfully.
After connect the camera to Wi-Fi, set up the camera password, click Confirm. Set up the name for camera and click Save. Select the record way and click Next. Select Enable or Disable the alarm push, click Done. After configuration, the camera will be displayed in the device list interface. Click to open the preview.